Okay, it's been a while since my last update, but quite a few things have happened. We've got a new battery, which is XE Rider 88 amp hour. We've got a new voltmeter, which is quite nice, lights up in the dark, looks really good. The blue controller, Turnigy controller, you've seen before, but this is a new system. Here we've got a 50 amp DC motor controller, and there's the original brushless controller that you saw before. There's the brushless motor that you saw before, but as you see, it's on a new platform with a DC motor which is 250 watts. So if you go around the other side, you'll see it's on a pulley system. There's the the brushless motor, which goes down to the lay shaft with the chain. All that's original. And then we have the DC motor here. Now the idea is that the DC motor allows us to take up drive, because you know about the cogging problem, and then the brushless will take over. So I've got the DC plugged in at the moment. Obviously the Arduino board's going to take care of all the little problems. So if I just increase the throttle, you'll see we can take up very, very slowly. So it works very well. Okay, so the Arduino will control that. What we do then, let's turn that off, unplug the DC, and then we'll plug in the brushless. Excuse me for a second while I plug in the brushless motor and turn the brushless on. Right, so obviously we need to kick start it, which is what the DC motor eventually is gonna do. So we just get it moving, and then we can move like that. Now the problem we've got, so that works as normal, but the problem we've got is with the motor connected, it's causing a lot of drag on the belt system here. So what we have to do is disconnect the motor, and that frees it up a little, so it's a lot freer running, as you can see. But even so, it still causes a lot of drag on the brushless motor. So what the next step to do is to replace this DC motor drive with a dog clutch, so it completely disengages the DC motor and allows this this pulley to free spin, and therefore eliminating the drag on the brushless motor. So there you go. So the next step will be to build the dog clutch and program the Arduino to power everything. So let's have a little drive.